Hello, everybody. Today we're reacting to a story, yo! Woohoo!
Story Time with Tomfoolery presents.
Oh, nice, a story.
Dee's Big Nuts.
What?
Dee was a squirrel who had big nuts.
Oh, my ears.
His nutsack was so
Don't worry, guys. It's not what it sounds like. Just look at the pictures, please.
big that it would drag on the ground everywhere he went.
Damn!
Dee had a friend named Sarah who loved nuts.
Oh, what?
Oh, there's a nut right there. There's another nut. Wait! Are you sure she's a woman?
Actually, fair enough. My girlfriend loves nuts as well.
Sarah would go around
POV, both sacks looking like. Please do not show to your children, by the way.
the town trying to put everyone's nuts in her mouth.
Yeah!
Oh, what? Anyway.
Sarah loved how big Dee's nuts were.
Oh, what?
A triple nut in one shot. Is that what I... Yeah! Okay, I'm sorry, everyone. Anyways, triple nut. There's a peanut there, the peanut there, the peanut there.
Oh, it keeps going.
His nuts were her favorite. They were the biggest nuts she had
Why are these so close?
ever seen.
Oh, hell!
She would play with his nuts all day.
Okay, now she's men. Get it?
And sometimes, even at night, her mum would join.
Yeah!
That's just wrong.
They would take turns holding Dee's.
Oh, she's got.
Sometimes Sarah would even try to put both of his nuts in her mouth at once.
Oh, she's got balls.
Okay.
She would giggle.
Skip the moments that are about to swear.
Fair enough.
Her face would turn red.
One more shit.
And then his nuts would come flying out.
Oh, shit. Oh, no.
One day, someone ran up to his nuts and started poking them.
What?
Okay, actually.
Off my nuts.
Bro, why is bro touching your nuts? Why? Why is bro touching your nuts?
He said. Although Sarah loved Dee's nuts, she would sometimes kick them. She once kicked them so hard, she busted a nut.
Oh, nah.
One sec, boys. Taking this. Okay, anyways, guys.
I can't hear anything.
He just wanted Sarah to play nice with his nuts. One day, when his nuts were feeling better, she took them to lunch.
I would want to join it. Okay, I'm joking.
Piece of shit. Anyway, let's keep going.
Where she got peanut butter all over them.
Double nutted, baby.
His nuts were so sticky. After that
Same
day,
here, buddy.
she knew she would need to play nice. Because all good squirrels know how to play nice with big nuts.
That's a lesson learned, I guess. Okay, guys, like and subscribe. This is a video from Ohio, so goodbye.